Noxie, what are you doing up there? Hey, Noxie. Noxie. I almost fell. Noxie. Stop it. Oh, my back. Dang it. Oh, my back. Noxie. Don't you dare. My back, my back, my back, my back, my back. What are you doing, Noxie? My back. My back. This back. Okay. It's this back right here, behind here. It hurts so badly. I don't know what just happened. I feel like I pulled a muscle or I twist the wrong way. Shoot. Don't worry, the fishies is a-okay. The cats keeps doing that because they're pain in the butt. So yeah, Noxie is the annoying one. Not going to lie. So yeah, I'm excited for going live soon. I'm actually very excited to go live soon. I know you guys are excited I'll go live soon. I pass a year and then I'll go live. I am actually very excited. And a new haircut's coming next week Saturday. I'm actually very excited to get a haircut. I don't know what I get. I'll just let him to mess with my hair, and I told you he's amazing. He's a style man. He is a beautiful man. He is awesome. So yeah, I think that's everything to say. So yeah, please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Peace. Bye.